Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to mass download from Google Photos. So in this video I will show you how to do this using Google Takeout service. It's easiest and fastest to do this, but at the end of the video I will show you how to do this on the phone. Not the best one, but if you don't want to use Google Takeout or your PC, you can also do this on your phone. Okay, so on your PC you need to open your browser and then at the search bar write Google Takeout. Then click at the first link and make sure that you sign in into your correct account. You can add account if you not see it right here, or just click at your if you see at the list. Then when you sign in into your account, firstly click deselect all. Right here we have this button, click on it and then scroll down, because we want to save photos or save files only from Google Photos, not from another Google services. So we don't need to select all of these services. Then when you deselect all, just scroll down and you need to find Photos. So right here we have Google Photos. Firstly click to select it, and right here we have all photo albums included. So if you want to save all your photos, just scroll down, you can click on it, but then click all. You don't need to deselect something or select something you already, Google automatically did it. Now if you want to save some photos, click deselect all and then select photos what you wanna save. Okay, let's say from 2025, but you, as I said, you need to select all of this. Then you need to scroll down, click next step, and then transfer to. So I'm going to use my email, but you can also send it to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. It's up to you, but I'm going to use this link. Export once, amazing, file size zip, and for file type, file size. If you have a huge gallery, have a lot of photos, I recommend it to increase the size to 10 gigabytes or 50 gigabytes. I will show you later how it look like. But to give us right now it's okay for me, because I wanna only save photos from 2025. Then create export, and now we should sign in into the Gmail account. So Gmail. Again, you need to select your correct account. So I'm going to swipe to mine. And now we have the message that we need to wait. So after you receive this message, it will look like something like this, but you will have more buttons to download, especially if you have a huge gallery. So I set file size 2 gigabytes, so it means that one of this button, so we can install these photos by just click on it, but you need to write your password, and the maximum size it will be 2 gigabytes, because I select 2 gigabytes. If you select 10 gigabytes, it will be up to 10 gigabytes. And now we have this zip file. If you select to send it to OneDrive, you need to sign in into your OneDrive account, and you will have these photos. So after you download it, you need to open this file, enter into Takeout, Google Photos, and right here we have it. So I recommend it to select it by size, because we have a lot of JSON files and I guess you don't need them. You need to select only photos and videos. So that's why we sorted by size. And then you need to click extract to and save it on your PC. And that's it for the PC. Now let's move to the phone. On the phone, you need to open Google Photos application, then click at your profile icon and make sure that you enable backup. If it's disabled, you will see backup on, so click at this button and make sure that all your photos uploaded to your account. Now, firstly, in the main photos feed, right here, you need to click at the three dots at the right top and firstly set layout to months. And I recommend it also stack similar photos, but it's up to you. And now you will see the duplicates right here. As you can see, we have number 2, it means that I have one duplicate. So we have 2 photos here. You can also remove it. It's up to you if you need this. After that, so on the phone, we cannot select all these photos. We need to select by months. And we need to just scroll down, select by months. After that, right here at the top, at the bottom, sorry, scroll down, and you need to find. So did we have it? You need to select Save to Device, or if you have Android, you will have the same icon but download, not to save to this to device. You click on it and you will have this photo in the gallery. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.